Alright, so in this video we're going to take a look at how to define a function in the TI NSpire and evaluate it at the same time. So first up, to put in a function like f of x, we want to go f parenthesis x and then close the parenthesis. And then we don't want to hit this equal sign here because that actually tests to see if two things are in fact equal, like 5 and 3 or -2 and -2. So instead what we want to do is we want to hit the control button and then this button to the right of the 9 is your math template button, and that's going to bring up a colon equals, which is an old computer science way of assigning values and defining things. And then we can type in our function as we would. So let's say we wanted x squared plus 3x minus 2. So let's say that's our function. Once everything's good and we have it typed into the calculator correctly, we press enter. It'll say done, and now the calculator recognizes this function. So there are other ways to do it. Another way is to use the graph and then do f1 x or f1 value for whatever you'd like, but this will be fine for us. So now if we want to evaluate something like f of -8, all we have to do once it's defined in the calculator is type in f parenthesis -8, and you can close the parenthesis if you like, but we're not doing anything else, so you can press enter, and that's what we would get if we took -8 and squared it and added it to 3 times -8 and then subtracted 2. And we can do that for any value that is defined in our domain. So f of 0, for instance, in this one will give us a -2. That's the y-intercept. So that's how we define a function on a TI NSpire. Again, there are other ways, going to the graph menu, but for our purposes, this will work out well enough. So hope you found this video helpful, and have a great day.